Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do spinning back kick in UFC 6. So performing this move is really easy, but before that you need to make sure the fighter you are using has the spinning back kick available. And to check his moves, firstly pause your match, then go to view moves. Now switch the category to kicks. Now scroll down here until you find rear spinning kick. So as you can see, we have this rear spinning hook kick and it can be performed by the given key combinations. For it, I need to press L2 plus L1 plus cross on PlayStation. If you are on Xbox, then the console keys will be shown there. If I scroll down again, then I should be able to find another rear spinning kick. So there we go. We have this rear body spinning side kick and it can be performed by R2 plus L2 plus cross. Now if I return to my match and press the key combination, so they were L2 plus R2 plus cross, and then he will perform the spinning kick L2 plus L1 plus cross, and there we go. This is the spinning back kick. In case your fighter doesn't perform the spinning back kick, then try changing your stance by pressing R3 button on your controller like this, and then try pressing the key combination. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe.